Today we are fixing a leaking Penn Plax canister aquarium filter. This is the power head. Just pop out the cover to the motor. There are 4 tabs, 2 on each side, and just pry it out and pull it out. Here you can see the bellow that's cracked, and this is where the water is leaking from the power head. Alright, take out these screws, 6 of them. Unscrew the bellow counterclockwise and pull it out. Remove the spring for the bellow. We are going to bypass the bellow by capping this line right here. So we're going to Dremel this out so it's flush. I'm going to use a 1/2-inch CPVC plug, but you have to Dremel out the end of the plug because it's inside the plug because it's a little bit bigger than the opening of the water flow to the bellow. Use some plumber primer and glue to cap it. Here it is installed and running without any leaks at the power head. Saved me about $150 to $250 for a new Cascade Penn Plax filter.